Just days ago, the Health Secretary was filmed on a visit to this care home in South London. It's not clear where he might have picked up the COVID virus, but the fact he's double jabbed is a sobering reminder that the risks remain ever present, even for the vaccinated.
I just wanted to update you all that I've tested positive for COVID. I was feeling a bit groggy last night, so I took a lateral flow test this morning and it's come out positive. So I'm now self-isolating at home with my family until I get the results of a PCR test. I'm grateful that I've had 2 jabs of the vaccine, and so far my symptoms are very mild.
If confirmed, there will be urgent steps to trace those Sajid Javid came into close contact with in a week where he appeared in Parliament and attended numerous meetings, including one in Downing Street just yesterday. As the wider country prepares for the lifting of COVID restrictions on Monday, there is a significant push to get more people vaccinated. Here on Wandsworth Common in southwest London, one of dozens of pop-up vaccination centres.
I think once everyone's got their vaccine, then hopefully they'll all be protected. And I hope the vaccine's obviously stopping people from dying as much, which is good.
I felt I was managing everything really well, but with Freedom Day, it feels there's a lot more to be anxious about.
At the Open Golf Championship in Kent, another vaccination centre offering jabs to competitors and spectators alike. And at the Oval, several cricketers got their vaccinations along with hundreds of locals.
Pandemic is still going on. We might be forgetting COVID, but COVID isn't forgotten us, and it is just lurking around the corner, ready for you. So I think getting that vaccine is very, very important. And the best way to protect all of us, our friends, families, communities, colleagues, and that's why it's so important.
Across the retail sector and in other indoor venues in England, Monday will bring significant change. Here in John Lewis, they're preparing for an end to social distancing and the restrictions their customers have had to live with for many months now. First thing on Monday morning before the store opens, staff will remove the vast majority of these signs. There will no longer be a requirement to stay 2 metres apart. As for wearing masks, well, it won't be compulsory anymore, but there will be gentle reminders that it's probably still a good idea to continue wearing them. But the lifting of these restrictions brings with it some significant concerns. Cases of COVID are continuing to rise sharply, even if hospital admissions and deaths are not. And that's resulted in many businesses being crippled by staff forced to self-isolate after being pinged by test and trace.
We've found over the last few days we've had a significant increase in the number of people who have had to isolate as a result of the test and trace app. And that has started to impact on our ability to run a full service over the last few days, and probably will do for the next couple of days.
And London transport is being badly affected. The Metropolitan Tube line has been forced to suspend services. Other lines have also been impacted. And health experts warn as restrictions are lifted on Monday, many more people are likely to be pinged and told they have to self-isolate. Mark White, Sky News.